Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to the DevOps King channel. In this channel, you will watch the solution for different tasks in the Azure DevOps. Today in lecture 1, we shall discuss the CICD for MSSQLDatabase. In this channel, you will get the training for Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, Azure, Web CI/CD. If you have any query, please contact on this WhatsApp number. All the video on this channel are prepared by DevOps certified engineer. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use this word DevOps King. You will find the channel. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. In lecture number 1, Azure DevOps CI/CD for MS SQL Database. In order to configure the CI/CD for MS SQL Database, first of all, we shall migrate the SQLDB to the SQL project in Visual Studio. Like in step 1, first of all, we shall open the Visual Studio. After that, from the file, we shall select the new option, and after that, we shall click on the project, this option. When we click on the project option, we shall get the interface, this one. In this interface, we shall write the database. We shall search for the database project of MS SQL. When we search for database, we shall get this one, SQLServerDeployment project. When we click on this MS SQLServerDeployment project, we shall get the next interface, this one. Select the SQLServerDeployment project and click the next button. Now, after clicking, we shall click the next button, this one. Next one. When we click on the next button, we shall get this interface. We shall provide the name of the project, like in this case, App SQL DB. After that, we shall click on the SQL. We shall click on the create button. When we click on the create button, we shall get this interface. The database project will be opened as shown. This is the database project we have opened in Visual Studio. After this, we shall right click on this project at this position. At this position, we shall right click to import the database. So in the next step, we shall right click on this database project. When we right click on this database, we shall get the option of import database. Import database, this one. We shall get the interface like this. Click on the select connection button and keep default import setting as shown below. We are taking the default setting. Like you can see the setting at this position. Import the application scoped object only and import the referenced login. In this case is the option we need for the import of the database to the database project. After this, we shall select the database that we want to import in the SQL database project. So in this case, we shall get this interface like this one. First of all, we shall make the connection with the database we want to import. So in this case, when we search in the history, we shall get the database like dev.dbms. After that, we shall connect this database by connecting this button. And the next is we shall in the next interface we shall start the importing. In the previous step we have selected the database that we want to import. After that we shall click on the start button. When we click on the start button, the selected database will be imported in the SQL database project like this one. When we click on the start button, database start to import in the project as you are watching on the screen. After the completion of the import of the database, we shall click on the finish button, this one. When we click on the finish button, we get all the database imported to the SQL project. As you can see on the screen, we have imported all the procedure functions table in the SQL database project. In the next lecture, we shall discuss the deployment of the SQL MSSQL on MSSQL server in both way, manual and automated. Wish you good luck for your career.